Okay, so this is a quick tutorial about Autocrat and what you can do to use it in your classroom. Basically, Autocrat is a Google add-on which does customizable file merges from Google Sheets into Google Docs. And in order to explain that a little better, here's some examples. After a test, you can give feedback to your students. You can see that you can give feedback by level of what I do or topic. And then each thing that's highlighted here is something that's customizable, and it's going to change for each student in the report. Here's another example with a note card quiz, or just like a quick exit slip as they left class. And then these comments that you see here are actually customizable to the student based off of how they did on that assessment. Another example here is just some goal setting or feedback. The students had a Google form to answer, and then they had these questions, and then you can see that the answers from the students showed up here. So it's a real cool way for me to organize a Google form and just have it in a nice shareable format. It'll also make pre-tests and stuff like that a little bit easier to use, so I can see how well the student did on different topics. And then once again, these are the questions that the student got correct, fully correct, partially correct. And then here's even a hyperlink to extra practice. So behind the scenes, what's going on is basically you populate this in a Google Sheet, and you can either type in all the information yourself like I do on tests, or like I did on that goal setting thing, have students answer a Google form to populate the sheet. From there, you basically create a Google Doc template, which has this information here, what you want to pull in basically from this other sheet. And so with the template, then you can combine and make these documents. It pre-saves them for you in your Google Drive, and it'll save them and organize them and name them any way that you want.